this is a very important program, and our Inspector General Police Omveer Singh and Mrs. Omveer Singh, they have taken a great initiative in coordination with UVCAN, which is a foundation set up by our ex-cricketer. He still is a cricketer, and basically this program emphasizes that Swasth Mahila, Swasth Goa. So they have started this project from Goa, where most of the women would be, we will be undergoing their examination for breast cancer, and because cancer is a serious ailment, but it is curable. So if it is detected at an early stage, the primary objective is to detect this at an early stage so that it can be cured. So the main objective of this program is to ensure the health of women, ladies, particularly who are in the work. They've started it from Goa Police, because Goa Police, they remain on job to 24/7, and sometimes they are not able to find time to undergo their examination. So this is a great initiative by UVCAN in coordination with the State Bank of India. So State Bank of India is also supporting this cause under their social CSR initiative, Corporate Social Responsibility Initiative. So we are grateful to UVCAN and State Bank of India for organizing this program, which will go a long way in ensuring the health of our women police officer, ladies police officer. So the program is an excellent initiative, and we will the UVCAN has assured us that they can even organize camps in the field, also in the police station, sub-divisional headquarters, district headquarters, so whereby all women police officers can get themselves examined.
So is the first time as the Goa Police has conducted this type of awareness camp?
No, in fact, other health programs are also organized, but not necessarily about cancer, but on many other areas. Sometimes blood donation camps are also organized, and general women health check camps are also organized.
We would like to thank Goa Police for having us as a partner for this breast cancer awareness and screening initiative. And we have been doing this initiative throughout Goa. We have already screened 22,000 plus women with the help of SBI Foundation, IIB and Goa government, as well as the now we have partnered with Goa Police also, and going ahead we are planning more camps in North as well as South Goa.
How is the awareness plan on this?
So we have a 30 minutes awareness session for all the females who will be screened. So prior to screening, we will have a complete awareness session in which they will be told about the self-breast examination and its importance.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.